I love this exercise, inspired by the Karate Kid. Wax on, wax off. Open up into that sumo position. I love this position for leg strength, knees directly or behind the ankle. And we're gonna just wax on. Stay low. You wanna cross the midsection of the body. Now this looks really easy, but it is not. You're using your core, your shoulders, your legs, and I can feel one leg and the other pushing into the ground. So we've got a few more seconds for wax on, and then we're gonna flick it over to the other side, and here we go, wax off. Now you can do big, you can do small and fast, you can change the pace, you can move the legs, you can do whatever you want because it's your workout. 1 minute challenge, let's go. Wax off, wax on in 5 more seconds. All you got is 5 more seconds. A little bit quicker, tighten that core. Take one last deep breath in. Woo! I'm done. I hope you are done too. Until next time.